Going to take you on a quick tour to learn how to make a personalized doc using Google Forms and an add-on called Form Publisher. Go to forms.google.com, create a new form, give it a title. You're going to set up your settings, collect email, restrictive eBCPS, and make sure that you change your confirmation message a little bit too. I'm going to go ahead and add some questions, just survey demographic questions at first. First name, last name, class. Your email should be automatically collected if you did that setting. And then add some other questions like what is your favorite food or who's your favorite singer. Here's an example. I'm going to go ahead and load some questions in very quickly. Take notice that I'm keeping the question itself very short. Favorite subject. Favorite color. Pet's name. I'm going to add a description here. If you don't have a pet, pretend that you did, and what would its name be? Hardest class. What is the hardest class you've ever taken? Best character trait. Okay, notice they're all short. Now you're going to build your doc. Go to docs.google.com, get an old word problem set or something, and just breathe some new life into it by changing out the words. Instead of having a generic question, change things so that you have like your favorite subject incorporated here. I'm going to go ahead and compare that the tags match. So I should have a first name tag, a last name tag, a favorite subject tag, a favorite color tag, pet's name. And if I zoom in here and look at this doc that I made as a quick example, I've got tags for all of those. First name, favorite subject, and so on. It's not a big deal if you miss a couple. Okay, it'll let you know, and I'll show you an example of that. Now you go to get the Form Publisher add-on. You cannot get this in the Chrome store. You have to go through Forms. So open a form, go to the three dots, go to Add-ons. Now type in Form Publisher. It is pretty popular, so it might show up right away. And go ahead and give it permission using whatever account. I would use your school account, obviously. You are giving it a lot of access. And then Form Publisher should be up here. Of course, you can learn more by clicking the Learn More button. And if you think you've got it, just click Got It. Now that you've got your Form Publisher add-on, you're going to have to set it up. So go ahead and open the form that you want to use, click the puzzle piece, and then select Form Publisher to get started. Click on I have my own template and select your template from the Google picker that pops up. This is where you'll be notified if you don't have exactly the matching markers, as you can see here. Then you'll confirm the destination folder and the name. I always add first name. Then I always check the boxes at the bottom, save generated URL and save the increment. The next step allows you to give rights to people. I would always give them rights to edit. And then you'll get a confirmation message. Let me walk you through this step by step. Very quick. Select your doc. See the markers. They don't match, but that's okay. I don't have to. I add in the first name. Again, you don't have to change the name. I always give edit rights. You don't have to though. You can just give view rights if you choose, but if you want them to type on it, give them edit rights. That's it. Now we got to send the survey. Send the survey just like any other survey. You can give them the link. To view results, you do the same thing. You have the respondents on a spreadsheet. I would make sure that they check their email for their copy, or you can find it in there shared with me. So I'll run through this real quick. I'm going to do a survey just so I can demonstrate where it shows up once I've done the survey for the respondent. So after I submit it, okay, now I'm going to go back out and I can check my docs. It's there in my shared with me drive and it's personalized. I can also go to Gmail. I should be getting a notification in my Gmail that I have one waiting for me, and there it is. I can open it in Docs. It's the same file. Okay, the respondent does not own it, but they get to edit it. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter at OLHS Help. Thanks again.